Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes. What I will be discussing tonight will be the lack operation of my new Black& Decker microwave oven. It got a lack, what they call this, style that is, when it is operating. Okay, you could not open the door because it's locked, so you will not be exposed to radiation. So to show you that one, actually I had set up already the time, and this is the control, the display panel of the microwave oven. It got that defrosting, power memory, express cooking. At the bottom portion, the stop and cancel and the start plus 30 seconds. For this, I will not be using this one to cook a long time food to be cooked. I'll just use this one for what you call this, heating a cold water for my coffee. So I usually do like this. I put this one inside, so I don't have to use the so-called, it got so many things here: popcorn, beverage, fresh vegetable, potatoes, soup, pizza, dinner plate, and frozen vegetable. I will not go to that. So I will just be using my microwave oven for express cooking. That is with the duration from 1 to 6 minutes. Express meaning, when I push any button here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, any number here from 1 to 6, okay, I will be activating the microwave oven to heat my cold water for coffee. So that is the only main purpose of my small microwave oven, because this is just rated 700 watts. Okay, let's go to, no. The power level at the express cooking is actually the full rated power, 700 watts. So I don't have to adjust the power level if I use the express cooking. If I use the express cooking, the power level will be at full power, 700 watts. Not unlike the other things, popcorn, beverage, etc. I think I must have to adjust the power level, something like that. And I don't want to go to those processes. So for this microwave oven, which is a Black& Decker, I will just be using this one for heating my cold water for my coffee. Okay? And let's go to the lock portion thing. The lock portion thing is something like this. I'll try to heat up a cold water for coffee. I will place this one inside. Okay. And like what I said, I want to use the express cooking without any programming, because express cooking, you just press the number of minutes that you will be heating your water, and that's it. Okay, so I will press one here. One here represents 1 minute of heating the cold water. So it's heating up the cold water now inside. Express cooking, that will be at full power, 700 watts for 1 minute. We got 16 seconds more. 6, 4, 3, 2, and end. Okay? To show you the lock process of this one, meaning if the heating process ends already, right? So you must have to bring out what's inside. And if you try to open this one, it's locked. So the lock process will be something like this. If you would like to bring out your food inside, okay, press this unlock button here, then bring it out. That's the lock process. Okay, so this is hot now. It's hot. So that's the way and how to bring out or show you the lock process of this one. To show you the other significance of this one, just in case you've got a child at home, and by using this express cooking here, if he happens to press any of this button here, okay, the microwave oven will be activated without anything inside, and that's actually very dangerous. Okay, and to show you that this is locked, I will press this unlock button here. Okay, it's locked. So if I press 1 here, it does not activate. 2 here, it does not activate. 3 here does not activate. That's the significance of this lock process here. If it's on the so-called standby mode, if a child happens to press any one of this one, okay, any number from 1 to 6 will not be activated, so the microwave oven will not be activated. So actually we remove that dangerous thing of activating the microwave oven without anything inside. Okay, I think that's it. The lock process of this Black & Decker microwave oven is by showing you that after the operation, to bring out anything inside, you must have to unlock it by pressing this unlock button here to bring out anything inside. And as I have shown you, if a child happens to press any one of these express cooking buttons over here, if it's not locked, the microwave oven might be activated unintentionally, and it might explode. Okay, so to prevent that one, like what I said, I will show you one more time. Okay, it's in the lock button. If I press anything here, it will not be activated. Okay, so that's the purpose of the so-called lock button. Good evening from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Reyes.